because yesterday was my 16th birthday. And
Bye. Bye, people. Napano ka chabisin? Hi. Hi, guys.
Bye. Bye, Leo.
Bye, bye. Bye.
Jermaine!
What? Jermaine? Kapon eh.
Walk back to Starlight.
Why you keep going away?
Bring donuts.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye là mì. Thank you. Okay, welcome back, guys. Can you wash this out for me? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're gonna do a barbecue. Well, not barbecue, but we're gonna do some hamburgers for the kids. We'd like to welcome all of you back to our channel. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and help us out. If you haven't seen our other videos, please also feel free to go back and check those videos out. But in the meantime, we're going to cook today for the students, just on a Monday. I'm usually off on a Monday, so I want to do some hamburgers just for fun. All right, so Marlon, can you please take this out? So before we start, we're just gonna go ahead and prep some of our onions and all that ingredients that we need for our hamburgers. Nothing fancy, it's just homemade hamburgers. I'm just gonna whip up some hamburger ground beef, and then we're gonna cook some hamburgers. All right, once again, thank you guys, and then hope you guys enjoy the video. All right.
What was I doing?
No, you're gonna help me prep. So here, you're gonna help me out, okay? I thought plastic was good. Javier, here. Make sure you get this up. Okay, it's almost ready. Get your bread out, please. This one. I'm gonna put that over here. It's time for you guys to eat. Call Kamara and them to come. Call Kamara to come. And Carter. You want a double cheeseburger? Huh? Want a double cheeseburger? Okay, hold it. Okay. Huh? The onions are right there. Right on that side. This one is good because it's oops. Oh, there's ketchup, sorry, and the mustard. Yeah. Get the ketchup and then mustard upstairs.
You want some?
Carter, there's this one. Give me the bread. Carter, you can get that. Yep. Ouch. It's good that you're cooking outside. Guess you need air ventilation. Yeah? These are baby burgers. Bless you. Oh, smells good. Okay, Austin. I think yours is just about ready. You want yours toasted? Your bread. It's okay? Okay. Alright.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm gonna take a pause for now because I have to. Oh, this thing is.
Can I go for a car?
Yeah. Oops. Okay, I have to make one for. I'm gonna do mine. Ouch, my back is hurting. Fine. And I'm gonna press down on mine. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Put this pineapple. What we got? Onions. Tomato. Lettuce. And bam. No ketchup needed. Let's see. Pineapple, hamburger, patty, onions, all the goodies. It's good. One bite. Menu got last name. I will wait to up here and new hamburger. The raw with some more. You got some mercado. Pineapple. Kijk dat zoeken. Anika pik. Even kijken. Anika squirrels. Anika raccoons. Raccoon. I was correct with last name. Was some more correct with last name. That's it about room one. I'm grateful for God's blessing today. For the food, we're always grateful. for what you have at home, wherever you're at. Always be grateful. You don't have to have fancy, delicious food. Just be grateful for what you have each and every single day of your life. With this, that's just part of a blessing. So thank you, Jesus. And then at the bar ginger ale. Raramente negara för på TV. Nu ska jag det rummet. I'm gonna continue on cooking because we still have some hungry people waiting to get their burgers. Me while we pray. Okay. See you later. Huh? Okay. I have a secret. Guess what? My second time. Then put my pineapple and okay. Once again, put my. Hey, can you like? Sorry. All right. So pineapple, and then onions. More onions, some tomato, and more lettuce. More lettuce. Bam, 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 bam. Let's just take a moment of silence to appreciate the food. You have no idea how good this is. Hamburger patty, pineapple, tomato, lettuce, onions. No ketchup. Jadi aku passou fácil sa fatawara yaw. Pura wasara ya. Pura parnases. Wa wara churapi. Churapi or ngaware. Smash it down. Get that juice out, that fattiness. Get them out of that meat. That way you don't have to use vegetable oil. There you go. Oh boy. Tell them I got 4 more coming up. You know, I bought one whole pineapple. I'm not gonna put it to waste, so I'm gonna make everybody eat it, even if they don't like it. Press it down more. Press it down more. See, you gotta press them so you have to make sure that the meat is cooked in its own fattiness, its own fat. What? Oh. No matter what, it's going in.
You said you want tomatoes and onions too.
Okay. Coming up, boss. So, we're gonna put some, just like mine, onions. Okay. And then we're gonna put that tomato. You said tomato?
Yeah.
Okay, put some of that tomato on top. All right. Okay, and then some of that pineapple. Okay, some of that lettuce. Okay. Bam. Wait, there's two. You're gonna eat my burgers, you're gonna eat two. Yeah? Sounds good? I'm not putting my thing on to waste, man. Everybody's gonna eat it.
What about marshmallows?
I don't care about Mars. Mars can get his own food, right?
Okay.
Right, Mars? If you watch this video, you're gonna get your own food, right? That's one. Okay. And then that's two. All right, here. Thank you for your time. All right, be careful. All right, going on my last. No, this is my last one. And then it's my last one. I'm calling it a day. The chef is gonna rest, 'cause I got work tomorrow. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. I think that'll do for the video today. Dustin, want to come say bye to everyone? Okay. Thank you guys once again for tuning in today. I know it's been a while since we last vlogged or had a video posted, but we'll do our best to post more videos for you guys. Hopefully we'll have more coming up, maybe next week or in 2 weeks, since I'll be on my vacation. So, you know, expect to see more videos from M3E. Elston, you want to say something to everyone? At least to say thank you for watching and...
Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah.
Alright. See you guys. Say, where's Marlson? Hi guys, this is Marlson. I'm just kidding, but yeah. I hope you guys like this video. Today was just a calm, chill day. My dad came out here and grilled us some amazing burgers. It was a 10 out of 10. But yeah, you guys don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time we upload videos for you guys to like stay tuned and watch and wait for. Youth from Oregon is coming. They're doing their special. We got a special going on too at our church. Also next month a lot of birthdays. Thanksgiving, my birthday's coming up, 17th birthday. If you guys want to send some Jordans or something in the mail, I'm just kidding, but yeah. Before this video ends, I want to take the time to thank God for everything, for protecting my family for almost this whole year. We got 2 more months left until we go into 2025, and I also want to thank you guys for all the love and support. We didn't think this YouTube channel was going to be big, but you guys really help us a lot with all the views and all the likes. Besides that, I just want to thank you guys for watching the videos. Continue to watch and support, and just be on the lookout for upcoming videos. And yeah, and merch. Oh yeah, I think if you guys can look in the description below this video, you guys will see a website. If you guys want some, if you guys like wearing crew necks, t-shirts, long sleeves and shorts and hats and slippers, or you guys can also get water bottles. You guys can press on the link and it's our merch website. So if you guys want to show support to the M3E squad, please click that link and buy whatever. That will really mean a lot to Elston and the crew. Yeah, but thank you guys for watching this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. It's ridiculous. Bye.